let's talk about the step-by-step nebulization protocol for better breathing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pharma lectures and comments are welcome. Step 1. Combine salbutamol and Ambroxol in the nebulizer chamber. Nebulize for 8 to 10 minutes, then wait 10 to 15 minutes for bronchodilation and mucus thinning. Step 2. Switch to a new clean chamber for budesonide rispule. Nebulize for 5 to 8 minutes and don't forget to rinse your mouth after to prevent oral candidiasis. Breathe easy and feel the difference. It's that simple.